Okay, so now we're going to be solving question 28. This is from the SAT 17. This is the 2019 April QAS test. And line 28, we'll go back up to that. And sorry, let's start actually down here. So this says, as used in line 28, broader most nearly means. So we have a word choice problem. The way to solve this is let's go back up to the line. Let's look for the word broader. Let's kind of understand what it means in context and then see also if we can replace this word with another one. So here, because this plant no longer requires photosynthetic pigmentation, i.e. green coloration, to produce its own energy, it is free to adopt a broader range of possibilities in coloration, much like fungi or animals. So it is free to adopt a broader range. So we need to basically come up with a substitute for that, or at least understand what it means. So what this is saying is that basically this specific plant here, Monotrophis odorata, it's able to have a broader range of possibilities. So I think the best way to say this is maybe it's able to have something that is wider. It's able to have a more expansive range. So basically we're talking about the scope of the different possibilities. So let's see if we can find a word to replace that. So we go down to broader. The one that first stands out to me is definitely going to be extensive, because extensive has the same idea of we're sort of broadening, we're opening up the space of possibilities, we're expanding the space of possibilities. Obvious doesn't make too much sense to me, because if we plug it in, it's basically saying it's free to adopt an obvious range of possibilities, which doesn't make sense. We're talking about how the range is expanding, not how it's becoming obvious. Tolerant is not very good, because tolerant sort of has a more human connotation, right? For something to be tolerant is sort of, you would have to have sort of like a human psychological perspective. So that's wrong for that. And then spacious does have the right sense of open. However, the problem is that it's too literal. We're talking about actual space as opposed to like an expansion in the abstract possibility, right? The abstract set of possibilities. So because spacious is a little too literal and too physical, we can get rid of that, and we'll choose answer choice A as our correct answer for question 28.